Here is another homemade chocolate recipe for our chocolate lovers. Chocolate chip cookies. Our first step is to melt butter in low heat. Then mix sugar with melted butter and let it cool down. Then add the egg. After that, add vanilla, baking soda and salt into this. Now we can add flour. Finally, add chocolate chips and mix well to combine. Now we need to bake this cookie around 20 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius. This cookie is very tasty when it is served hot. Subscribe my channel and ring the bell until we meet again.